Coming out? Coming out with us?
Awesome South Carolina summer storm. I love these thunder clappers. It's a great time just to come out and sit on the porch and watch the lightning, hear the thunder, enjoy the cool breeze in the hot summer. I enjoy my little porch. Watch the lightning striking. Reminds me of the days we lived here before, and I was out on the flight line at Shaw Air Force Base in Sumter, and we used to watch the thunderstorms roll in every summer, and you could almost set your clock to about 4:30, 5 o'clock every afternoon when they would roll in. It sure cooled off the flight line a lot. Of course, when we were on the flight line working around the airplanes, anytime lightning got within 5 miles from the base that we was at, we had to go inside to the patios, get off the line, had to clear the line, had to stop refueling jets at 7 miles out, and then 5 miles out we had to clear the flight line. So we used to sit and watch the lightning striking all over the place. It was always fun then, and even now it's fun. Just a great time to sit out here on the porch and just enjoy the evening. Trying to catch some of these lightning strikes on the video. I don't know if you'll see them all or not, but it's pretty radical right there in that little clearing above the trees. Couldn't do this in New Mexico. They never did this. If it ever did this, we usually had a tornado follow it, so we were all inside anyway. I didn't have a front porch at my house in New Mexico to set out on like I do here, so I enjoy this. Some good flashes. Oh, you guys have a great one. If y'all enjoy, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We'll see y'all later. Have a good one.